Are you struggling with high blood pressure and low energy? Stress, depression, anger, and excessive heat in the body? Then don't worry, we have a solution for all these problems. In this video, I will explain you each and every detail about Sheetali Pranayama. What is Sheetali Pranayama? How to do Sheetali Pranayama correctly? 2 different variations of Sheetali Pranayama. The amazing benefits of Sheetali Pranayama. Precautions and contraindications of Sheetali Pranayama. That is, who should not practice Sheetali Pranayama. Time duration for Sheetali Pranayama. How long you should practice Sheetali Pranayama. You will get in-depth knowledge about Sheetali Pranayama in this video. So watch the video till end. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chaitanya, a channel where you will find content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. What is Sheetali Pranayama? The root word Sheet means cold, while Sheetal means calm, passionless and unemotional. This practice cools the body and mind. Sheetali is a cooling practice because the inhalation happens through mouth instead of nose. When the breath is drawn in through mouth, evaporation of moisture on the tongue and the inner surfaces of the mouth cools the air. This cooled air then cools the blood vessels through the lungs, which gradually eliminates the excess body heat. As per Hatha Yoga Pradipika, the wise inhale air through tongue and practice kumbhak before, then exhale the air through nostrils. This cures an enlarged stomach or spleen and other related diseases, fever, excess bile, hunger and thirst, and counteract poisons. Recent stats claims India has more than 1.3 billion people suffering from diabetes, and this number will rise by 5.4% by the year 2025. So if you are struggling from diabetes, then it's high time to change your lifestyle and you can try our Diabetes Care Ayurvedic Tea. Yoga Chaitanya's Diabetes Care Ayurvedic Tea is based on an Ayurvedic formula of herbs that are used to treat diabetic patients. The formulation of these Ayurvedic herbs helps to manage type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Regular use of Diabetes Care Ayurvedic Tea helps to balance blood sugar levels, stimulate insulin secretion, aids digestion, balance metabolism. Our wellness teas are available at 50% discount and free shipping in India. You can use coupon code YCYouTube5 to get an additional discount of 5%. This discount is valid for limited time, so order it now. Link to Diabetes Care Ayurvedic Tea and the coupon code is available in the description tab. Let's talk about the benefits of Sheetali Pranayama. Fayda kya hoga? Milega kya? What are the benefits of Sheetali Pranayama? Benefits of Sheetali Pranayama. Sheetali Pranayama cools the body and affects important brain centers associated with biological drives and temperature regulation. It cools and reduces mental and emotional excitations and encourages free flow of prana throughout the body. The practice of Sheetali induces muscular relaxation and mental tranquility. So whenever you are feeling tired, try Sheetali Pranayama. If you are struggling with insomnia, then you should practice Sheetali Pranayama before sleeping. It acts as a tranquilizer before sleep. The practice of Sheetali Pranayama drops the heart rate and blood pressure. It is highly beneficial for people suffering from high blood pressure. Sheetali Pranayama cools down the body. It should be practiced in summer season. It is also beneficial in a fever, regulating the high temperature of the body. Sheetali Pranayama helps to maintain healthy spleen, and it is also useful in acidity and indigestion. It helps to reduce excess heat from the body. Therefore, it is useful to balance Pitta Dosh. If you are struggling with low energy and tends to feel tired during the day, then you must try Sheetali Pranayama. Sheetali calms the mind and helps to control mental chaos. It reduces emotional excitation and mental tension and depression. It acts as a stress buster. Sheetali Pranayama helps to control negative emotions like anguish, anger and jealousy. The regular practice of Sheetali Pranayama helps to provide relief from ailments related to reproductive and endocrine system. As per Hatha Yoga Pradipika, if the yogi masters Sheetali Pranayama, then it removes thirst, hunger, sleep and lassitude. How to do Sheetali Pranayama? How to practice Sheetali Pranayama? To practice Sheetali Pranayama, sit in any comfortable posture like Vajrasana, the thunderbolt pose, Sukhasana, the easy pose, Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana, that is lotus pose, or Siddhasana. Make sure your spine is straight. You can use yoga block to elevate your hips slightly. This will help you keep your spine straight. In case if you cannot sit in any of these postures, then simply sit on the chair with a straight spine. Choose whichever is comfortable for you. Now place your hands in desired mudra on the knees. If you want to learn each and every detail about yoga mudras and meditation postures, then watch these playlists. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. Gently close your eyes and relax the whole body. Now extend your tongue outside your mouth as far as possible without strain. Then comes the interesting part. Roll the sides of the tongue to make it a tube like this. Inhale deeply and slowly through tongue, filling your lungs completely. After inhalation is complete, move your tongue in, close your mouth and exhale slowly and deeply through nose. This is round 1. Practice 10 to 15 rounds of Sheetali Pranayama. Make sure when you are inhaling through your folded tongue, focus on the suction sound and the cooling sensation of the breath. While practicing Sheetali Pranayama, incorporate yogic breathing, that is combination of abdominal breathing, chest breathing and clavicular breathing. If you want to learn each and every detail about yogic breathing, then watch this video. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. Let's do it. Take your tongue out as far as possible. Create a tube. Inhale deeply and slowly through the tongue and then exhale slowly and deeply through nose. Technique 2 with Antar Kumbhak, the internal retention of breath. In this technique, extend your tongue out as far as possible without straining. Now roll the sides of the tongue to create a tube. Inhale slowly and deeply through the tongue, filling your lungs completely. After inhalation is complete, move your tongue inside, close your mouth and then hold the breath for 2 to 5 seconds. Exhale slowly through the nose in a controlled manner. Let's do it with 5 seconds Kumbhak. Time duration for Sheetali Pranayama. How long you should practice Sheetali Pranayama? There is no predetermined time limit for Sheetali Pranayama. As a beginner, practice 10 to 15 reps of Sheetali Pranayama. You can do 2 to 3 rounds of Sheetali Pranayama. Precautions and contraindications for Sheetali Pranayama. Who should not do Sheetali Pranayama? Do not practice Sheetali Pranayama in a polluted environment or during cold weather. The nose is a natural air conditioning system of the body. It heats and cleans the incoming air before it enters into the delicate lungs. However, when we inhale through mouth, then this natural air conditioning system is bypassed. This induces cold and dirty air into the lungs and it may cause harm. Therefore, this pranayama should be practiced in fresh, clean and warm air so that the lungs are not contaminated or chilled. The practice of Sheetali Pranayama drops the heart rate and blood pressure. Therefore, if you are suffering from low blood pressure, then you should avoid Sheetali Pranayama. People suffering from respiratory disorders such as asthma, bronchitis, phlegm issues and excessive mucus should not practice Sheetali Pranayama. If you have heart disease, then you should practice Sheetali Pranayama without breath retention, that is Kumbhak. The practice of Sheetali Pranayama cools down the activity of lower energy centers and reduces fire and pith. Therefore, it should be avoided by those who are suffering from chronic constipation. Practice inner retention of breath for short time only, since prolonged Kumbhak has a heating effect on the body. This will neutralize the benefits of Sheetali Pranayama. People with sensitive teeth missing teeth, or dentures should practice Sheetali Pranayama instead of Sheetali Pranayama. If you want to learn each and every detail about breathing exercise and pranayams, then watch this playlist. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. I hope you liked this video and it added some value to life. If you think so, please like, share and comment. We are open for the feedbacks. We have detailed videos coming on different type of pranayams and yoga postures after this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon with all notifications so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, take care, God bless you all.